Tauri Patterns for Production, Episode 3, Plugins. The official plugin ecosystem. Files, dialogues, notifications, HTTP, SQL. Most of these are pure JS APIs you wire up with one command. Tauri 2 has a real plugin layer. FS for the file system, dialog for native pickers, notification for OS banners, HTTP, SQL, store, updater, 12 plus official plugins. Most of them need zero Rust code. You add the plugin with one CLI command, register it on the builder once, and call functions from the front end. Today we use 3. Build Inkpad, a real text editor with open, save, and notifications in about 100 lines. Step 1. Scaffold a fresh Tauri 2 project. Same pnpm create command from episode 2. React.ts template, our identifier, Tauri version 2, -y, to skip prompts. Step 2. pnpm install pulls in the Tauri runtime plus React, Vite, and TypeScript. Step 3. The headline command for this episode, pnpm Tauri add, does 4 things at once. It adds the cargo dependency, installs the npm package, registers the plugin on the builder in lib.rs, and adds the default permission to capabilities. 3 plugins, 3 commands, fully wired. While that runs, FS for the file system, dialog for native pickers, notification for OS banners. Step 4. Capabilities. Tauri's permission gate. Every plugin call from JS goes through this file. If the permission isn't listed, the call errors at runtime. Notice that Tauri add has already written the 3 default permissions. That's why everything works after the install. Step 5. Open lib.rs in NVIM. Today's Rust file is tiny. Register 3 plugins on the builder. That's the whole backend. Clear the scaffold and rewrite from scratch. CFG_ATTR for the mobile entry point, 3 plugin calls, generate_context, and run. 9 lines, 1 for each idea. Step 6. App.tsx. This is where the work happens. 3 imports. Open and save from plugin-dialog, read text file and write text file from plugin-fs, and the notification permission and send functions. Open file awaits the dialog, awaits read text file, set state. Save file checks the path, and calls write text file. Save as prompts for a path, then writes. Notification asks once, then fires. JSX is just a text area and 4 buttons. The plugins do the rest. Inkpad running. Click Open, and the dialog plugin returns a path. FS reads the text. The buffer fills. Edit inline. Click Save. FS writes the file. The notification plugin fires the in-app toast and the OS banner. Click New to clear. 3 plugins, 4 buttons. Three takeaways. 1. Most plugins need 0 Rust code. Tauri add wires Cargo, npm, lib.rs, and capabilities in one shot. The front end imports the plugin package and calls functions. 2. Capabilities are the gate. Every JS plugin call checks this file. The default permission added by Tauri add is dev-friendly. For production, narrow it. FS read text file beats FS default. 3. Plugins compose without coordination. Dialog returns a path. FS takes a path. Notification takes a string. None of them know about the others. The composition is your code. That was Tauri 2 plugins. 3 commands, 3 lines on the builder, and you can talk to the file system, the native dialogues, and the notification center. If this clarified the plugin model, like, subscribe for the rest of the series, drop a comment with your questions for Claude to reply, and share with anyone shipping a desktop app. Episode 4. Plugin-SQL. Local first, SQLite, migrations, typed queries, the persistence layer most desktop apps actually want.